Do you suffer from critical productivity failure? If you're an entrepreneur, business owner, executive, and you just can't seem to break through that glass ceiling that seems to be holding you back from achieving your goals, maybe the self-doubt is starting to kick in and you're losing faith in your own ability. Now, you've probably tried the superficial fixes, like creating vision boards, chanting huge affirmations. Maybe you've read the personal development books or got up at 5 a.m. ready to do your power hour and crush your goals. And the reason why these are superficial fixes is because they treat the symptoms only. They don't solve the underlying problem. Fortunately, it's not actually that hard once you know exactly how. And I'm going to help you with that right now. Firstly, what you have to do is effectively identify and delete that old underlying habits and conditioning. And then you can, and only then can you attempt to install a new productive one. That frees you from that old conditioning that's been holding you back so that you can start to take consistent productive action. When that happens, work becomes easy and effortlessly, and motivation is not an issue anymore. And the reason why installing the new framework is so powerful when all the superficial fixes have failed is because you've deleted the old underlying programming first. And that's why it's so successful long term. If you don't use deleting in combination with the other approaches, there's a 99.7% chance that you'll suffer what's called inertia, and you'll revert right back to the old habits. But when deleting and installing is done correctly, you'll start to see instant results. Most people experience feeling like they're back in the driver's seat of their lives and their goals. They start to actually complete their daily tasks easily and effortlessly, and they can see their quarterly goals becoming realistic. Their mood improves, they're more relaxed, and often they start to sleep better because they're going to bed with satisfaction and getting up with determination. And they're being productive with their lives again. So if this video resonated with you, or you'd like to learn more about how you can remove that invisible ceiling, I'd like you to invite you to click the link below and get hold of my brand new training. And it's to help you overcome that productivity failure and get you back in the driver's seat of your life.